kumbirira kumuzimu zara zakanaka kana pia mtambo angori mutara kumbirira kumuzimu
That's why they train Portuguese and train in Korea. That's why they train Portuguese and train in Korea. That's why they train Portuguese and train in Korea. Violence in Zimbabwe. Violence in Zimbabwe. Victims of violence in Zimbabwe. Victims of violence in Zimbabwe. Victims of violence in Zimbabwe. Michael Dube, Tapiwa Meda, Ali Seri, John Malamube, Chris Ben, Zero, Jane, Dua, Tatenda, Biga, Tapiwa Mura, Moses, Brighto, Moira, Manu, Tasun, Tabitha, Marume, Temba, Mone, Moses, Mukoa, Tomu, Sensi, Musa, Mure, Nasumi, Godfrey, Jabete, Matura, Rakta, Tenga, Apia, Yabuka, Gloria, Kaviwa, Keni, Yepe, Temme, Dure, Weste, Tapera, Kanye, Katawe, Joshua, Makatela, Tontra, Nira, Gibson, Marcel, Katarame, Norman, Maboi, Moda, Tapas, Hobbit, Washington, Yaga, Chris, Pen, Mabano, Owen, Abane, Kindi, Chau, Kando, Kanyamba, Mapika, Matira, Daniel, Mete, Tendem, Toka, Farai, Kape, Dada, Shiro, Sampa, Aliot, Majipita, Moken, Mutuba, Tufia, Jacob, Apio, Taroto, David, Mabu, Ata, Matopo, Patson, Mabu, Tapson, Sanda, Chefu, Chemete, Tondra, Jeremy, Isaac, Nanda, Safare, Mutu, Kamro, Bethany, Owega, Ruthie, Mashamube, Tompin, Tambara, Tukumba, Tony, Makoya, Kenya, Sube, Sanford, Mapuranga, Kana, Johnny, Luku, Junti, Jati, Ashford, Pio, Ano, Bena, Gibson, Trendy, Mapuranga, Johnny, Jude, Robert, Yenga, Miti, Yenga, Sonda, Matita, Taura, Zuta, Francis, Spirit, Daniel, Kubo, Gilpe, Nyakupe, Lambe, Kino. muri yeZimbabwe ngativakei Zimbabwe asi tichitondera vakafa munguva yedemokirasi tichichema vakafa munguva yeguguraunde ngativachemei tine tariro yekuvaka nyika. Yes, it makes me to cry. Yes.
We do not want to create a socio-legal order in the country in which people are petrified, in which people go to bed having barricaded their doors and their windows because someone belonging to the special branch of the police will break into their houses. This is what we've been fighting against. Every one of us has been in jail 10 years, 14 years. I myself 9 without trial. Every one of us has had to live scared of the police.
This is just a list.
How on earth do we create
One
a
out of
society which is exactly like
60,000
that?
Zimbabweans
We don't
who
want
perished their
We
lives
are fed up of it.
after independence. Yours, revolutionist Martin Chinyangata William.